highway? Woo.
This is a Gato. It's 1.5 million.
Don't show it anywhere yet, because he hasn't shown the car. Just so you know.
I won't show it nowhere. Anyway, going down to this next side, there's a couple of sections to this property. Me and Eugene, another driver of ours, we're going down to this next side of the property and see what's down here. This is definitely a big property. Here we go. Looks like we gotta stick it 2 times. This thing's an Illinois 420. Boy, this thing's in rough shape, man. Got Eugene behind me right here. We just got 2 apiece. Anyway, we're back over here on this same property. They had 4 pages worth of cars to tow, but it ended up I got somebody parked in a handicap spot up here, and everybody knows how much I like towing people illegally parked in a handicap spot. So I'm gonna go up here and yank this car. It's just what happens. People get yanked. Anyway, we got that one. No, man.
No, I'm here. That's AAA's coming right now.
Listen, he's just on the hook, bro. Hey, listen, hey, the property had me towing.
No, the AAA guy's literally coming right now. Please,
I understand.
Look, please.
Listen, you can pay it out if you want to pay it out.
Look, literally, we're on the way.
I believe you 100%, man.
Look.
I fully believe you.
The time, like they said, they're on their way at 4.
I understand.
03 p.m. Please, I literally
listen,
just
if you, like I said, it's on the hook, man. If you want to pay it out, you can. You're more, it's $100 payout. Now, hey, listen, that's just what I do. I'm not trying to, to upset you, but we work for the property, and she's got like 4 pages worth of cars.
Yeah, I know.
But listen, if you want to pay it out, you can. I can't put it back in that handicap spot, but I can drop it for 100 if you want to pay it out. That's your best bet.
Can I just see what?
Anyway, he's gonna pay it out, I'm pretty sure. Pretty certain of it. But you can't be parking in no handicap spot. That ain't right. And, hey, it may be because they've got 3 cars at that one building.
This is those 2 cars are mine. AAA's coming to get these cars.
Okay.
The one has the Prius has a flat. The other one has a flat. And then
well, there's more here. I mean, there's more here. I can go get elsewhere.
Yeah.
If you really got, if you really got AAA coming, then that's fine.
There he is.
Okay. Oh, you talked to her?
I did. It was a guy.
It was a guy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just sign right in there, and you got a copy of it. Hey, you know how rare it is for people to actually have somebody coming? It's rare.
Liars, but I'm not.
Well, I know. I understand. Yep. Yeah. This guy got yanked. No tag, parked in a handicap spot. He did have a tow truck coming to get his cars. He just waited too long to tow them, and it does happen. But he was parked in a handicap spot. I don't know why he would have done that. Don't make any sense for him. He didn't look like he was disabled. He had a bunch of rock climbing stickers on the side of his vehicle, like he was a rock climber. And I'm pretty sure he wasn't handicapped, or he wasn't disabled. But he got yanked. That's how it goes. Hopefully he won't park in that spot again when he gets his vehicle back over here. Maybe he won't park there again like that. I don't know why people do that, other than they're too lazy to walk another 20 feet to another parking spot. We got that one. We got this red Sentra right here. It's going to be a difficult angle, but I think I can get it loaded. It's right here. Same scenario. Expired tag, abandoned. They pulled the sticker off of it, the orange sticker. We'll go ahead and load it up and get out of here. Back again, it's tow trucker. Looks like we got somebody parked right here. That parking place right there belongs to somebody else, and that means somebody's stealing that parking place, and they're fixing to get towed. It is Saturday, and Saturday's a day that everybody's always home. I got 3 cars in here that they're telling me to pull. So we'll see what happens, man. Got my taser ready, man. See if anybody comes out, they're gonna have to stay calm. Anyway, we'll see how it works. See if I can't get this other one loaded in less than 1 minute when I pull up. It'll decrease the chances of me having an altercation if I can get these cars off this property real quick. So that's what we're planning on doing. Hit quick and hit hard.